When beginning research on a topic, it's possible that you already have some familiarity with it, but want to focus on one area specifically, thus need to narrow your search with more concepts or keywords to be precise. To get started, go to SJSU Library homepage at library.sjsu.edu. Off to the right-hand side of the page, underneath the green magnifying glass, click on Advanced Search, highlighted in blue. In the middle of the page, in the search box here, in this white search bar, enter concepts that enter the topic of your choice, separate in quotations, separated by the Boolean operator. This allows search engine to search both concepts together rather than only say finding sources with either only cats and other sources with only foods. It has to search both of them together. If you only want a certain material type, go to the right side of the page and click the down arrow icon and click X. If you want within a certain publication time frame, click the down arrow icons next to date and month underneath the start and end date subheadings, followed by the start and end year off to the right. If you want to search only within a particular field, click on the down arrow icon here off to the left underneath the search filter subheading and click X. Once all your limiters, filters, and concepts are entered to your desire, click on the search in the bottom right corner here next to the magnifying glass highlighted in green. Now with your results, if you have any other questions or if anything was unclear to you, feel free to contact me again because I'm happy to help. Thanks.